Hey, it's Mr. Crane. I'm going to try to do this Atoms and You for day two a little different way. So, I tried to show it on the board earlier, and it really wasn't that awesome, just because it was so far away that it actually was not real clear as far as the image quality. So, what I'm going to do is I'm sharing my screen here, and I'm going to show you how to make lithium. So, on the screen a while ago, I showed you how to make carbon. So, Um, lithium has three. Actually, let's do hydrogen because hydrogen is very easy. So you'll have that'll give you four to do, and I'll help you with two. So when I'm on hydrogen, I move my cursor. So I'm clicking on the space where I want the image to be. So right there is where I want hydrogen to be. So I'm going to float it right there, and then I'm going to actually go to insert and because I'm sharing, it's going to be slow, so I apologize. I'm going to go to drawing and I'm going to go to new. All right, hydrogen has, if you look at the periodic table, hydrogen has, it's the first one, so it only has one proton. So it has one proton and one electron. Now, this is up for debate on how much a neutron for hydrogen weighs. If you look at the atomic mass for hydrogen, it's 1.01. So if you, in order to find the number of neutrons an element has, you take the atomic mass, so in this case it'd be 1.01, subtract it from the number of protons, which would be 1, and that leaves us with 0.01 AMUs, so about a hundredth of an AMU. So it has a neutron, but it's very negligible in size. So I'm going to go to this little symbol here. So I clicked on drawing. I'm going to go to this little shape symbol here. I'm going to pick a circle. If I can hold on to it, I'm going to pick a circle. I'm going to pull my circle. Sorry, that's our end of our class. So it's about to end. Draw my circle. I'm going to grab my text box, which is this one with the T. And I'm going to draw a little box inside of here. And I'm going to put my protons, which are going to be 1. And my neutrons, it's actually 0.01. And so that's about as small as you could ever think about it being. And then I'm going to hit shapes again because I need an electron. I have one proton, and so the number of electrons is the same as the number of protons. So I'm going to hit my circle, and I'm going to draw another circle, dragging it. I'm going to hold it. It's going to cover the shape. I'm just resizing it right here. So it's over the top of it. I can't see my other one. So I'm going to go to this little fill button right here. I'm going to go to fill and I'm going to click transparent. So now I can see where I'm at and I can move it to make it. Oop, that's just a little too far. I need to click on the outside here again and try to grab hold of it a little bit more. It's still too much. So maybe I'll make it a little bit bigger. Just so there we go. So now I have that. Now I need one electron. So I don't want to fill color in here. So I'm going to make it clear as well. Make that. Oh, no, I don't want to do that. Let's back that up. So let's do transparent as well. Let's see if that works for this one here. Not sure what's up with that. No, it's not doing it because it's so slow. All right. So now I'm going to go and I'm going to click. I need an electron symbol. And I like this little symbol right here. It's like a little light bulb or a sun. So I'm going to pick that. And I need one. Oh, I don't need it that big. So I can make that a little smaller. A little tinier. Now it's real tiny. And then I'm going to move that whole thing right to where I need it to be. I might need to make it bigger and then move it. So right there is where I want it. I'm going to make it smaller. Move it again. Make it smaller yet again. All right, so now I have My electron. I have one electron. All right, I can put a text box out here and say one electron. Grab my text and make it smaller so that it fits, and then save and close. So when I save and close, that's too big, so I'm going to make it smaller. So I'm dragging and making it much smaller, and still much smaller. So if it's doing this for you, what you can do is come up beside number 3 up here and enter it down so that it goes to the page that you want it to be on. So now I have hydrogen right there. So that's how you do it. You just follow those steps. Again, you put your mouse where you want it to be, put your cursor where you want it to be, go up to insert, then go to drawing. Drawing, you'll go to new, and then from new, you're going to start adding in your shapes. All right. So I hope that was helpful, and that's it. And that's not where I want. So let's see here. How do I get back to it? Maybe it's here.